Hey, what's up, XRP holder? XRP holder, in this video, I research personally very high, my friends, for all of you now. So please hold this video because in this video, I will give you something very special information about XRP and absolutely the price prediction, the technical analysis, everything, my friends. I just explain in 2-minute video, my friends. So please must watch, and my friends, take a decision. Absolutely, after watching this video, you will need, my friends, to take a decision. Please research personally also, but take a decision. This is very good option now. My friend, this time XRP, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, completely falls down. So what we will need to do, my friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification for latest urgent update videos. My friends, we will need to do something very special to the price will starting increasing, and this is possible today while starting increasing if a holder are starting investing, holding. Therefore this is possible, otherwise this is impossible. To XRP price will increase now, my friend. As you can see here, 1.11 USD dollar, this is the highest price of XRP, but the current price, my friend, you can see here, falls down to 1.07 USD dollar. So it's a very bad fails, my friends, but don't worry, after a short term, my friend, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I like it, and I hope to upcoming time also this is possible to exert fuel pumps up. But my friends, this is a one, there is a one chance, my friends, absolutely, after a short fails, absolutely, if they will take a very huge jump, as you can see, my friend, they will moving, and they cannot moving very fastly upward, just and only they cannot moving upward. So that's mean, my friends, who this is very bad time. But absolutely sometime, my friends, they will take a very huge pump now after a big dump. So please, holder, if you also, my friends, want to invest and earn money from crypto now, try to understand, my friends, too, this is the tips of, my friends, earning money, my friends, in a crypto. So please do this. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time absolutely you will best pretty care and you will earn a lot of money, my friend. As this time you can see, my friend, XRP price will fails down, so my prediction is going to be negative now. But let's see, my friend, because I know, my friends, to some days they will more fails down, and after that they will moving upward. So please be ready for a race. Thanks for watching, XRP holder. Please like video and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please press the bell icon for videos notification.